So, good afternoon from Thailand. As you know, I'm still here and I wanted to update you guys because many of you are asking why after this great earnings, in my personal opinion, we are still falling, right? As of yesterday, we lost around 5%. I'm just on the way to the beach right now, which I want to show you. It's a little bit rainy, it's a little bit windy as well, but you know, it's absolutely beautiful otherwise. Let's test out the waters real quick. Like at the stock market, right? You want to test the waters. So the question is why space is falling. I think what people need to understand is if a company is still pre-revenue and in a kind of concept phase, in a kind of prototype phase, while space is exiting this over the next couple of months. To be exact, it will exit this officially by Q3 2022. We still have the crazy volatility, okay? Once the market tanks, space tanks. Technical wise, oh, this is so nice, guys. This is so nice. And to show it to you, it's super amazing. So, as soon as space is still in this phase, plus you have to understand that we are still in a downtrend. We are below the 50 moving average. We are below the 200 moving average. We are below the 100 moving average. So all of these factors, in addition, are bearish things that are, contributing that this stock is still a very high speculative asset, right? This will change as soon as we enter the next phase, which I would call the primary business phase, which is like I think with the commercialization, you are having a totally new people that start to invest in this kind of company, because there's a lot of people out there, and I understand this 100%, that are saying, okay, you know what, I will wait until the stock is more investable, because they should show us that they can do what they promise, right? They can fly people, though the technology is basically confirmed, which means that they showed multiple times that they can go to space and come back, so the technology part is confirmed. It's just the frequency, right? As more as they can produce in terms of spaceships, as more they can fly, and as long as this confirmation, for many people, the stock just is non-investable, and I get that. The obviously reasons are, they having a certain money management or certain risk management, where they say, okay, we don't do that. We just don't invest in companies pre-revenue, pre-commercialization, which is totally fine. But you have to also consider that there's a lot of people that exactly looking for exactly this stock, which then gives you a huge opportunity to have like a high risk, high reward game, right? And I think that this is something that is important. Okay. Let me just check the comments if there's any questions. Yes, Sergey, this is how you get banned. So I had to ban Sergey. Sorry, he's now in the spotlight for very non-intelligent comments. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm always happy to talk about space. I'm thinking of starting to establish a call position, as you might remember, where I think I will call. I will talk about this in today's Virgin Galactic Fridays. So make sure to check that out, and it will be as always, right? It will be that once space will be again to those all-time high levels. You know, we will have people who say, "Oh, I should have invested in," or "I should have bought more." Again, the conviction in this stock stays very high, even though it's very volatile. You have to live with that. You know, you had great companies that were volatile at the very early beginnings. That's just part of the game. It's not so volatile as like crypto, for example, right? But in other words, it's quite volatile as of now. It's not for everyone, definitely, but for those who are, you know, kind of looking for a very special kind of monopoly in the space industry, then basically I don't think there's anything better out there right now into the space industry than space, considering the team, considering the investors, considering the brand, and so on and so forth. And there will be time where the demand for the stock will be absolutely insane, and I think this could be in Q3. That's like the roadmap for me, right? I'm thinking, okay, you know, the stock can go up and down, you know, even to 15 or 18 or whatsoever. I'm applying my monthly average and so on, and in the end of the day, I will look to get as big as position as I can, and then, you know, basically from there I will take you know, huge advantages when the stock goes up. So make sure, guys, to smash that like button, by the way, right? The water is so amazing. It's super nice here in Thailand. The food is crazy. The weather is a little bit rainy, but what to do, right? You cannot have everything. Yeah, and with that said, I think that you know, I would love to answer some questions in the comments once you post them. I appreciate that you you know, switch on. And again, you know, pre-revenue concept prototype phase companies are very volatile. Okay, you have seen what happened to Rivian or other specs currently. The market is quite volatile, and then those companies are quite yeah, heavily affected, like space. So yeah, with that said, have a fantastic weekend, the best weekend that you ever had, and I see you later on with the Virgin Galactic Fridays vlog. Thanks.